Hey guys, it's Erica. I just wanted to make this little video to talk about this adorable little plant. It is called a Sansevieria Ehrenbergii. I hope I pronounced that right. An Ehrenbergii Sansevieria, but it's more commonly known as a dwarf samurai sword plant. And I just saw this at a nursery and I had to pick it up because it was so different looking, and I have never seen a Sansevieria look anything quite like this. It kind of has those edges like the whale fin does, and it's really pointy, so you want to be careful with that. Oh, since this is a Sansevieria, the same things apply as they do for your snake plant, for any Sansevieria that you have. They can tolerate low light, but they do prefer to be in a brighter area. So if you can give them part sun, part shade, that would be what would be best for them. You never want to have their soil be damp because they like to be dry. If the soil is damp for too long, the roots will rot and the bottom of the stem will rot. So be sure not to water it unless the soil is completely dry. And then he will grow. He will have little babies. You will have multiple baby Sansevieria plants. And yeah, for my plant, I keep him in a southern window. Literally right there on the windowsill. Lives right there, and he does pretty well. Yeah. That's pretty much all I have to say about this adorable little plant. So if you ever see one at a nursery, I highly recommend to pick it up. You will not regret it. He is a slow grower though. Alright, well that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I post new videos every single day, so please feel free to subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll see you next time. Bye!